Hello everyone. I wanted to work this little teaser that I posted to the discussion bulletins because a lot of you have gotten it right, but a lot of you have stumbled here, and this can prove very haunting as we move forward. This is one of these fundamental ideas that, well, the devil's all in the details, as they say, and you need to get straight on this. And to help you, I hope, get straight on it is I'm going to introduce what I call the white space hack. Now, in computer science, if you ever take a course, your instructor will ask you to use plenty of white space in your code. White space being tabs and spaces and new line characters. And the reason for that is because it makes your code more readable to human beings' eyes. The computer itself doesn't care if your code is all mashed up into one single block of text. The computer has no problem reading that, but we humans need to have the white space inserted to make it clearer for our eyes. And that's what I propose to do here. I am going to insert some white space in the form of some tabs right here. So when I write the code out, I'm going to have something like this, the minus sign and a bunch of tabs, and then the 3, and then the superscript or the exponent 2. Now I think you can see where I'm going with this. When I redo this, again, when I cycle it through my brain again, I'm very tempted to go ahead and do this 3 times 3 to crunch it out and say 9. Now if I was to come through and delete the tabs in between here, we would end up with negative 9. And so this left expression does indeed equal negative 9. Now on the right here, if we do the same game and we play some white space characters here, what happens is we would do the left parentheses, we would do the subtraction sign, and then we'd have a bunch of tabs, and then our 3, the right parentheses, and then the superscript 2. Notice that it doesn't matter how many tabs we put in right here. The fact of the matter is that that minus sign is still part of the squaring process. It cannot escape the squaring process. Now if I was to rewrite the original problem here in what I call longhand style, in other words, exponential notation is shorthand for a lot of multiplication in a small space. If I was to write it in the longhand style, if I was to go ahead and show it like this, this is negative 3 squared written longhand style, we know that a negative times a negative is going to give us a positive, and so this right hand expression evaluates to positive 9 as distinguished from the left hand one, which evaluated to a negative 9. So that's what I call the white space hack. I hope it allows you to somehow get a grip on this in your mind, that the difference between these two. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll be talking to you soon.